Kota Dipov from Akut member of public on suspicious motor vehicle within town. So our officers swung in action and intercepted the said motor vehicle, KCP 957 Toyota van with assorted with types of suspected contraband liquor. The liquor that was found were FRS, which were 55 cartons. We had also African Spear, which were 41 cartons, vodka, 3 cartons, one brand called Euro, 18 cartons, and another lastly the 50 brand is Antonio vodka, which were 22 cartons. These are suspected liquor from one of our neighboring countries. We want to ascertain where it came from, because there are new brands that we are suspecting they are coming from one of our neighboring countries.
All the inbounded goods, including the motor vehicle, already it has to be forfeited to government because it was carrying illicit goods. That is the procedure, it's the requirement in the law. So including the fund that is here today, as you are seeing here, it will be forfeited to the government as a punishment. Government is not going to release whatsoever, so that it serves as a discipline, it serves as a notice to those who are carrying out this. We are not going to allow somebody who has ill motive, who has already sabotage in our economic behavior of our country. So this one will be forfeited to the government will hold it, it will be disposed, and it will be given out as a tax or as a revenue to the government. This one was impounded in the Siwa Road at night, because these people, they think they are cunning. Government is always alert, and they were impounded along Siwa Road. So they thought they have run away from government. I want to tell you, please do the right business. Do the right business and work well with the government. Government is here to support every business. Avoid this illicit business.